Hey, I'm Connor, and this is your cyber psychology breakdown for Wednesday, February 18th, 2026. In cybersecurity news, we've been seeing some new malicious Chrome extensions disguised as AI helpers. We've seen malicious extensions pop up before, but AI helper extensions can be particularly effective because of how enticing they look. They're free little assistants that take notes, track info, and translate things for you. And sometimes they actually do the job you expect, so you don't suspect anything bad. They just also happen to be harvesting your sensitive data in the background. It's like a business that offers to scan and copy all of your receipts and put them in a database so you can search for them later. That might be convenient, but you're also giving a stranger a perfect record of your life, and in this case, potentially access to everything your browser sees. Chrome extensions don't inherently set off red flags. We want to trust that Chrome won't have malware available for download in its official store, but unfortunately, that's not always true. They do a pretty good job, but you can't just download things without thinking about it, even if it looks legit. Best practice for managing browser extensions is to review them regularly and delete anything you don't use or recognize. For extensions you do use, check on their permissions. If any of them want to read or change data on all sites, or access your mail, I'd think twice about keeping them installed. I'll put a link in the description to the malicious AI helpers from this story so you can see if you recognize any. If you have any installed, you may want to change your important passwords and make sure you have MFA enabled on those important accounts. On the psychology side, if scammers or attackers can get us processing on autopilot, we're more vulnerable because we're thinking less critically about what we're doing. When things look normal, we just go through the motions. It's when things look out of place that we start judging. A 1999 study showed that when information is easier to process, we tend to judge it as more true. There are so many stimuli coming at us all day that our brains will automatically take shortcuts just to save effort and keep moving. Scammers don't want us to think about what we're doing, so if they can camouflage malicious activity as normal everyday behavior, it can be extremely effective. So as always, stay mindful, stay resilient, remember there's always a price for convenience, and follow for more cyber psychology breakdowns.